So, hello everyone, this is going to be a very quick unboxing. I have I bought two controllers from the Doom, the Dark Ages, and of course I have also the cover for the Xbox One X, which I'm going to show you later in the video, how it looks on my console. Why I bought two? First of all, I do not like how the Pro controller from the Xbox looks with the Doom Dark Ages. I think the normal controller, it's cheaper, and that's why I bought two. They did a very good job, in my opinion. I mean, the colors, the texture, the attention to details on the controllers, it's unbelievable. So I have the chance to buy two controllers, so I bought two. One is going to remain in my collection together with PS5 controllers and Switch controllers, which maybe I will do an unboxing or maybe just a short video to show you guys. If you're interested, let me know in the comment down below. And one I bought because I want to use it. I want to enjoy this controller. So let's go ahead and have a look. As you can see on the box, the attention to detail, it's something else. I mean, I wish PS5, Sony is going to come with something like that, because to be honest, this is something to collect, something to have if you're a gamer. The packaging, everything, it's on another level. So I will put this on the side, and I think I will unbox this one. Okay, this is like Apple. Seal is off, and let's have a look. I mean, look at this. Just beautiful, unbelievable. You can see here the texture and everything. Those are like shreds from the bullets. I mean, just like somebody shot at this controller. The paint and everything, it's awesome. Of course, you get your Duracell batteries. And yeah, let's have a look. I think you got something with yes, I'm not going to show this because it's a QR code you get with each controller, a special, I believe, let me have a look. You take something, I don't know, I have to look. You get the armor. Okay. Anyway, let's have a look at the controller. I mean, I don't know. I like it very much. It's as you can see, the texture is like rubber. It's not normal, it's not plastic. This is plastic, but this is rubber. You can fully grip. I mean, yeah, it's very nice. They did a wonderful job. Good job, Xbox. I love this. So with this on the side, let's have a look. Here I have the console cover. Let me have a look. How can I take this out? Because yeah, it's okay. I hope I'm not going to break it. So also this one, attention to detail. To be honest, it's the first time that I'm buying a skin for Xbox. I check online, they have some for Call of Duty, but I love this one. You can see you can remove this for the CD tray. If you have a digital console, you can leave it on. But since I have the disc version, I will take it right away and put it on the side. This is going to install. You have Velcro on the side, as you can see here. I mean, it's very, very nice. I love the color, I love the texture. This is not painted, it's like not, has a little bit of texture, you can feel it with the finger. It's not something that's going to fade with time, if you know what I mean. I think the color, the splash of blood here, could be a little bit more red. But anyway. So let's have a look how the Xbox is going to look with this one. I have my console here. Okay. I think I have to put it like this, or maybe try first time. So back, and then so that's it. I mean, look at that. Really, I think it's absolutely awesome. Beautiful. You can easily press the eject button, you can easily press the pairing button for your Bluetooth. You can easily insert the USB cable. Let me check that right now, since I have a cable right here. Absolutely no problem. As you can see, it's free. And of course, power button for your Xbox. I mean, I didn't thought that I will be so happy. I mean, it's very, very beautiful. I mean, one more time I have to give props to Xbox. Just awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, guys, and yeah, if you have the chance to buy this combination of Xbox skin and controller for the Doom the Dark Ages, I think it's a must. If you are a gamer, it's a must, because quality, it's on another level. I think they did a very, very, very good job. Thanks for watching. And let me know in the section below if you bought this, if you want to buy it, if you're a fan. If you like this controller or the Pro controller, I will put a picture on the screen and you can see how those two compares. But I think this one it's better. It's better value because I pay $79.99, and the Pro I think it's $199. So it's absolutely crazy. And as I told you, the quality and the paint and everything, it's much better on this one. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.